Hi, welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom, just a dad cooking great food over fire. On the subject of being a dad, it's 36 degrees out here, so if you see me with my t-shirt off in the background of the video later on, I apologise for my beer gut. So today we're going to be cooking salmon on some cedar planks. Let's show you what you need. So we're going to start off with about 3/4 of a chimney of lump charcoal, just get that lit and smouldering away. So we're using salmon fillets today. We've got a couple of fillets, and onto that we are going on with herby garlic butter rub from the Rusty Barbecue Company. I'm going to give it a nice liberal sprinkling on there. If you want a 10% discount code for the Rusty Barbecue Company, then join my Facebook group. I'll stick a link in the description below, and pinned at the top of that page is a post with a 10% discount code that is valid on all your purchases at the Rusty Barbecue Company. So once we've got that covered, and once that's sat in there for a little while, we'll get the lemon on the top in a while. So our charcoal's up to temperature. We're doing 2-zone cooking today, so we're putting some over one side of the barbecue, leaving a gap in the middle, and then some over the other side. So it gives us an indirect zone in the middle so that we don't burn anything. So you want to get your lid down and let your temperature come up, aiming for about 180 degrees C. So our planks, we've had these soaking for about 6 to 8 hours, and that's the minimum you want to soak them for. You really want that water to penetrate in there, and then that is going to steam out and steam our fish, as well as letting the wood smoulder and give us a nice flavour. So our cooking side, you want to put that directly down on some direct heat for just a couple of minutes, and just let that plank come up to temperature. So once it's done that, we're going to flip it over and move that to the indirect zone in the middle. You don't want to keep your plank over direct heat for too long, because it will just burst into flames, and then that ain't no good for anybody. So move it into that indirect zone, get your fish on, make sure you give your fish some space between your fillets. You want the steam to be able to come out of the wood, and that is what is going to help cook your fish, and then the wood is going to smoulder from the heat as well, and that's what's going to give you a nice smoky flavour. Get your lemons on. Again, these are going to help with your steam. They're going to have a bit of moisture come out the bottom of them and flavour your fish as well. So once we've got the last one on, we need to get that lid shut, and we're cooking for about 15 minutes. So while that's cooking, there's your time to chill out and relax for about 15 minutes. Pour yourself a beer. So if you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, then please do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And let's get back to cooking. So somehow I managed to lose my footage of checking the temperatures of this with my Inkbird Instant Read probe. I took these up to 63 degrees, and that's going to keep them nice and succulent on the inside, but cooks all the way through. So I'm serving this with parmesan and pesto new potatoes, and then we've got some tender stem broccoli that I just seared off quickly towards the end. Let's give this a taste, and pick up a piece of lemon, I think, and go right underneath that. I know it's going to taste amazing anyway. Oh, it's beautiful. The garlic comes through, but it's really not overpowering. You can taste the salmon as well. There's that hint of lemon there where it's just kind of oozed out across the top. It really is beautiful. And I'm hoping that I'll give you the recipe for these potatoes soon, because they're pretty epic as well. So if you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, then please do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video, leave us a comment underneath, and just let us know what you think. Thank you very much for watching.